guys, welcome to the new episode of जब भी स्वेट। हम आ गए हैं दिल्ली रॉक। तो आज हमारे गेस्ट है हमारे साथ अर्जुन, जो हमारे साथ रॉक क्लाइंबिंग करने वाले हैं। अर्जुन, कुछ बताइए अपने बारे में प्लीज।
मैं अपने पापा के साथ कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम कर रहा हूँ और
जैसे बाय प्रोफेशन आप क्या है? इंजीनियर है। तो मिस्टर इंजीनियर, आपने कभी फिटनेस से रिलेटेड कुछ करा या करते हैं आप रेगुलर बेसिस पे?
नहीं, ऐसा मैंने कुछ ट्राई नहीं किया।
तो लगता है कि कर पाएंगे ये?
आई होप सो।
चलिए फिर ट्राई करते हैं, देखते हैं।
This is known as artificial wall climbing in normal language, and you can say as sport climbing, because this is gonna be included in Olympics 2020. So this is officially known as sport climbing.
Is it gonna be easy for us because हमने तो करा नहीं है, we are like gym वाले लोग और ये सब।
Okay, well, rock climbing needs both physical and mental strength. So when you keep doing it and you do get to know better and better about technique, and you improve like that.
So let's start with the session.
Alright, so we're gonna start the warm up and stretching. It will be a very small warm up and stretching exercises.
Wrong day for leg day.
लग गए।
हम कर पाएंगे ना इसके बाद? Because I think we are tired.
शायद नहीं कर पाऊंगा इसके बाद। तो जिम मैंने कभी नहीं किया।
Just the warm up. And you can see our faces. We are sweating like anything.
So when you're climbing, make sure you're holding really proper with the fingers closed. If you have the nails, it might be possible like it goes off opposite. Okay. So make sure if you have any problems, then just cut it off. You have the nail clippers. Okay, I'm gonna show you once, and then you guys can keep doing climbing. That would be, I think, a more reliable thing to do it. So now I'm gonna get connected to the device. So first, stress your equipments, okay? Have self-confidence to do really best of yours, okay? Because there's no issue that you're gonna have fall down to the ground. I need to climb up till the letter T. You can see T everywhere. So T means top hole. Top hole is the last hole that you have to hold on to. That's it. When you come down, it's really easy. You don't have to do anything. Yes, that's it. That's what the moves that you have to do. Good. Finish it on the yellow level. You were really good with your body weight. It's not that climbers need to have lean and clean body, but it even helps them to hold on for longer when they're up there.
Oh my God, I'm struggling.
No, you have it.
Oh my God, my arms. Oh my God, I can't do it. I think I'm gonna come down and I'm gonna change my shoes and then I'll go.
More
I
energy
need
you're
to change my
staying up.
shoes. This was only because my shoes are not right.
Good one. Step up, left feet up. That's the way. Come on. Yes, put your right feet up. Nice, good job, guys. There are a few points, so I have to make sure my hands are straight and I'm really using my lower body to put down the weight.
ये मैं नहीं ट्राई करने वाला.
And both hands. That's it. That's it. Here people can work out and people can even have fun along with the team, along with the partners of yours, and sometimes all alone because you are not depending on someone to do it. So bouldering is something which is more fun if you are all alone.
वार्म अप देख के मुझे सही में लगा था कि अर्जुन नहीं कर पाएगा, बट you're quick man, you're quick. ऐसा क्यों? ऐसा कुछ है? कोई रीज़न है क्या?
मैं अपने घर की 8 फीट की दीवार ना एक बार में कूद सकता हूँ, इसलिए कर पाया हूँ मैं.
So guys, I think we are done with this and बहुत मज़ा आया. अर्जुन कैसा लगा करके?
मज़ा तो बहुत आया पर थक गए यार बहुत ज़्यादा.
So अर्जुन, हाई क्लाइंबिंग ये और नेम,
ये
बोल्डरिंग ये और नेम.
ये
So guys, हम फिर से वापस आएंगे जब भी स्वेट के एक और एपिसोड में एक और इंटरेस्टिंग सा वर्कआउट लेके. टिल देन कीप वॉचिंग फिट पर.